Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mahendra, Salesforce Technical Architect with around 13 years of experience into Salesforce ecosystem. And today we are going to understand what skinny tables are, what they are used for, and what are the benefits of using skinny tables. So let's just try to understand what skinny tables are. Skinny table is a custom table that contains a subset of fields from a standard or custom-based Salesforce object. So, okay, on the next slide, let's try to understand what does that mean. So, if you are able to see the screenshot which is there on the PPT on the right hand side, as an user, we only see a single object in Salesforce. So, for example, if you are want to view account data, so you see all the fields present under account object, right? Right from the standard fields to all the custom fields which you have created under account object. But actually in the database, Salesforce stores all the data for standard fields in a standard fields table and data for all the custom fields under custom fields table. So as you see in the screenshots, for account object there would be two different tables. One is account standard fields table and the next one is account custom fields table. So when you run a query, for example, if you want to fetch account name and a region, right? Region is a custom field on your account object. So if you are writing a query, select account name, comma region from account. So what Salesforce does is it gets all the account name data from account standard fields table and then all the region data from account custom fields table, and then it joins the data and it presents the data to us. So if your organization is having more than let's say 2 million records, and if you're having large data volumes in your org, then you might see performance issues, mainly with the reports, list views, with Apex classes. If you are using queries on such data, right? So you will definitely see performance issues in your org. Even if you create custom indexes, it might not help you improve the performance. So you can use skinny tables to improve the performance if it's not improving with even with custom indexes. So what what skinny tables hold is they hold data from all the standard fields as well as custom fields. So you have to provide the list of fields, standard plus custom, which you want to be part of a skill table. So I mean, in the screenshot you can see there's a account skinny table created and it holds data from account name, employees, industry, website, and the region custom field. Moving on, so you cannot directly create skinny tables in your org. You need to reach out to Salesforce support, and they can help create the skinny tables for you. You need to provide the list of fields which you want to be part of those skinny tables, right? And then the skinny tables are kept in sync with their source tables, right? So whenever a account record is created, deleted, or updated, for example, so this data is reflected in skinny tables as well. Also, as I said, you need to contact Salesforce customer support to get skinny tables created in your org. You cannot do it directly. Okay, moving on. I mean, let's just try to understand how skinny tables can improve performance. So, as I said, it stores standard as well as custom field data for a particular object. So, it avoids resource intensive joins. And skinny tables are kept in sync with changes to the data in source table, right? So, any data which is updated, deleted, or created, I mean, you can find it under skinny tables as well. Also, skinny tables, they do not store any soft deleted records. So again, it helps improve the performance. Moving on, You can have I have listed down the types of field which you can have on your skinny tables. You can have checkbox, date, all the fields which I have listed on this slide. You can make a note of it. Moving on. So let's try to understand when to actually use skinny tables. So skinny tables are most useful, with tables containing millions of records when you have large volumes of data in your org and you are facing performance issues even after creating custom indexes. You should try going for skinny tables. Skinny tables can be created on custom objects and on standard objects such as account, contact, opportunity, lead, and case objects. They can enhance performance for reports, list views, and SOQLs. So there are few considerations you need to keep in mind when you get skinny tables created. Skinny tables can contain a maximum of 100 columns, no more than that. Skinny tables cannot contain fields from other objects. So you can have, if you are creating a skinny table for a account object, it can only have account standard as well as custom fields and not from any other custom or standard object. Skinny tables are copied to your full sandbox also. When you refresh your full copy sandboxes with production, so skinny tables are copied directly into those. And if you want other types of sandboxes to get skinny tables copied and activated when refreshed, you can contact Salesforce customer support for getting that done. Okay, so thank you all for staying on. That's all for today. Stay tuned for few more videos. Thank you.